What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Kaspa fam, Caspians, we back with another video. Kaspa chilling in a range right now, sideways accumulation. I love it. I'm gonna be stacking my bags. I'm gonna be loading up. As always though, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project because crypto is very risky and very volatile. But when it comes to Kaspa, like I said in my streams, this is a high conviction play. I am not fading this. Even 100,000 Kaspa can potentially change your life in the future, which is what the average person I think can afford, right? $1,560, right? I would think the average person can afford that. If you could get more of it, that's on you. But you know, this is how you practice proper risk management. This is how you practice proper risk management, and then, you know, stack your bag and just wait until the future comes, because great technology and great development leads to great returns in crypto. If we take a look at the top 100 projects, majority of them, except for, you know, the meme coins that are there, the majority of them are there because of the technology of what they bring, what problems they're solving. Kaspa, fully functional ghost tag technology, scalable. It solved the blockchain trilemma with security being knocked out of the park, security, scalability being knocked out of the park, guys. And you know, we could see it, man. We could see it with what is being done with the miners and everything. Kaspa is super bullish, right? Recently there was a poll between Litecoin and Kaspa, and then because the Kaspa community won the poll got taken down, right? Just to show you, man. He was looking for Litecoin to be on top, Ryan Wright, but I'm sorry, man, Litecoin it ain't beating Kaspa's technology, man. It's not beating Kaspa's technology. Shout out to Litecoin though, you know, shout out to all the Litecoiners out there. Kaspa is just too bullish though, you know. From Kaspa enthusiasts, hey Martin, thanks for the answer. I pissed my pants from laughing so hard. From Frank Shapiro, no one is talking about how massive this regulatory crackdown is for Litecoin. Dr. Martin Hisbiok, yes, with good reason. We moved to Kaspa. We moved to Kaspa, man. But who are the members from someone in reply, synthesis? Who are the partners of Kaspa? Team members with any real connections, relations to further use case, partners and notable investors. Great project, also no ICO, proof of work, etc. But adoption relies solely on above, and we are rapidly moving into utility over speculation. No, we don't. Currently, the foundation is being improved so that Kaspa becomes more and more interesting for various applications. Of course, there are not hundreds of partnerships. It is not a company that pushes its own project with connections. With Kaspa, the technology speaks for itself, and that's why I'm bullish on it. That's why I'm like, yo, I'm gonna get me a bag and make it my high conviction play because of the technology, right? I thought crypto is supposed to be decentralized. I thought crypto is supposed to be the community is in control of everything. I thought it's not supposed to be, oh, this person, this lead person is the reason why, you know, everybody's interested in the project. It's the technology. Look at Bitcoin. Who's Bitcoin's partners? Who are Bitcoin's partners, man? You know? Sooner or later, more and more people would jump on the bandwagon when they realize that Kas block DAG is highly reliable and fast. Synthesis, thanks for your honesty. Kas is FUD free. Yep, Kaspa cryptocurrency. Even the SEC can't do anything about it. Only few understand this. Litecoin being labeled as security or getting removed from an exchange, right? Because of this whole SEC FUD. Kaspa is digital silver powered by block DAG technology. Guys, don't fade this one. Super bullish, strong narrative. $1 in the next cycle, and I agree. $1 to $3 next cycle. Kas is on my long-term list. I agree. Which wallet supports Kas? Change wallet. Change wallet. Let me help him out. That's the one I use. Altcoin hero Kaspa solves the blockchain trilemma and is currently considered the fastest proof of work blockchain. Kas Rust Alpha has an estimated processing speed of 32 blocks per second. It's right here on the trend line. Just one breakout from this trend line and it's over, man. We making new highs, guys. Patience, man. And again, just like I stated earlier, Kaspa solves the blockchain trilemma. Does anyone have a thought on the crypto Kaspa? It's bullish. It's bullish. That's what my thought is. Oh, I gotta check out these videos as well. But yeah, it's bullish. I think I bookmarked them. I'm gonna have to check out my bookmarks. Maybe in the next video, guys, we're gonna just keep diving deeper and deeper into Kas. More than one at a time. Always is always a tech breakout phase. Lol, do your homework. Put at least 1,000 into it, if not more than you can. That's what I'm saying, man. That 100K, that's it. Then you just forget it. Put it on your wallet. Get the 100K, put it on your wallet, forget it. Even if it's just 50K. I'm telling you. You know, gonna be absolutely bonkers. Gonna be absolutely bonkers. Then there was two. Kas, Bitcoin. Kaspa is the next Bitcoin, man. Kaspa is the next Bitcoin. Apple Pay, Google Pay. Bitcoin, Kaspa. Significance to miners. At Kaspa, with 1 BPS, you need 1 out of 86,000 of the network hash power to find 1 block a day. If you had the same share of the network hash power in Bitcoin, it would take you 600 days to find 1 block. Jeez. If Kaspa had 10 BPS, you need of the network, the Bitcoin equivalent would be 16.4 years. So this is Kaspa and how fast its proof of work technology is also. The next Bitcoin is Kaspa, guys. Man, I'm so bullish. I'm gonna check out a little bit more tweets, man. Let me just, you know, I'm so bullish on this, man. The excitement, man. The excitement. Check out a couple more tweets, man. See what we got. Crypto architect Kaspa looking to move into a next leg. Check out tag the exact local bottom region. Expect sideways to down for the next coming days. Sideways, okay, expect like some large degree movement. But yeah, man, sideways to down, but it's still moving out to that next breakout phase right here. The next breakout phase after it exits this accumulation zone, we'll see that next breakout phase to 9 cent. Wow, jeez, 9 cent. Jeez. From Jim Ski Bum, addressing holding 1 million plus Kas are increasing. Wow, addresses holding 1 million plus Kaspa are increasing. That's like $15,000. I'm reassured to see that people are taking advantage of the current price action. Obvious now is the time to stack Kas. 1 mil Kas at 1 million USD at $1. Can it get there? If it reaches all-time high valuation of ADA, Kas would be $5. 1 mil Kas. That's what I'm saying, man. Even if you can't afford the 1 mil, you could just afford the 100K. You know, because things are hard, and not everybody got $15,000 to $16,000 to put into a project, right? But if you could afford the 100K, 1,600, 1,560, or whatever it is, the exact amount, that's 100K. $1 is 100K. 100K is, you know, potentially life-changing for a lot of people. That could help out so much. That 100K, man, you know, and then boom. You could use that 100K to take a portion of that for reinvesting. Now when there's, you know, when now like for example, you know, there's another bear market after the bull market, you could take that 100K, reinvest in the Kaspa, because after a boom there's a bust. You get you know, you take profits at the boom, you buy back in the Kaspa at the bust, and then Kaspa potentially goes to $5-10 the next cycle. You never know, man. You never know. So yeah, man, like what I see, Kas is predicted to have a price range of 10 to 15 cents in the next 6 to 9 months. Jeez, I gotta get stacking. I gotta get stacking. Look at this right here. Cas with the all-time higher market cap of ADA, 0.15 ADA, $3. So Cas would be a 340x from here, $5. Jeez, I want some Cas. Me too. I gotta take a look at these videos right here. I love this. I love the connections. Just to show you how the connections of Cas are crazy, man. Like the technology, because a lot of the technology that we see from Cardano and Vitalik came from Kaspa, and a lot of people don't know that, and they're still fading. But it's on y'all, man. We gonna see what happens in the future. All the Kaspa, the Caspians tuning in, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with the rest of the community. I really appreciate any support that y'all could give, man. Trying to get the channel to grow, get to 10,000 subscribers. So Kaspa fam, get this video to 10,000 views, right? Also, if you can, become a Patreon, which you get access to my private Discord and access to my buy alerts and sell alerts with my crypto elites here, so we could flip some projects to get more Kaspa, right? Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.